Welcome to Professional AutoCAD by Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to see how to join two circles through a line. As you can see in this picture, I have drawn two lines, but this line is not accurate. I have used the line command, but this line is not accurate. So this can't be drawn by using only line command. So we have to go for alternative thing here. As you can see here, the line is smooth and it is touching the two circles, that is tangent to the two circles. So you have to do it in alternative manner. So how to do this, let us see. I'll first delete this. So I have two circles and I need to join these two circles through a line, that is connecting both the circles. So how to do that? So first of all, we have to take the line command, and after that don't specify any point, just you have to write TAN and then press enter. Then touch the circle. Tan is the tangent to the circle, so you have to select the tangent of the circle. So I have selected this tangent of the circle. Again, don't just click on that another circle. Again you have to press tan, then press enter, then connect the tangent to the circle. As you can see, anywhere you can touch the circle, it will become tangent. I'll show one more time. Take the line command first, don't do anything, just go for tan command, that is tan. You have to enter, then press enter, then you have to touch the tangent of the circle. Again here don't specify, select another point, just you have to go for tan, then enter, then touch any point of the circle, touch any point of the circle. See here, it has become tangent. If we connect through just line command, it will not get accurate. So in this way you have to connect two circles through tangent, that is TAN. Your command TAN you have to use along with line command. Thank you.